So, there is an issue that I did have. Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we are reviewing a Cool Mist humidifier. So this has a timer, 3 spray levels, night light, large capacity, and humidity setting. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. So it is shipped nice and secure with this padding. Also has padding on the bottom and instruction manual as well. So here's the instruction manual. Make sure you guys read the manual if you want to learn every single details, how it exactly works. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like inside. It's the triggering flap. You have all your buttons right here. So you would take this out. This gets placed in like that. Just like that. Let's go ahead and take this tape off. So you pour water in the tank here. Do not pull it down in this hole here. Pour it off to the side over in here, okay? That's very important. So we went ahead and added some water. Now there is a max line. You can see the water right in here. Don't fill it past there. Place the top on. Once you plug it in, it's going to beep and it's going to be in standby mode. We'll show you the features up close in a minute here. So right down here are some features. You have the power right here. There's going to be a piece of tape on that white filter right there. Take that off as well. So there is an issue that I did have, is when I powered it on, I filled it up, I put the top on and everything, and I don't know if it'll do it. Let's see. Okay, no, now it's starting up fine. Before I would press the power button and it would go beep, 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 and then it would go back to this page, you know, this status, and it wouldn't do anything. So what I did was I kept pressing on, off. So I would press it like this and keep pushing on and off until eventually it turned on and stayed on, and now it just worked completely fine. So I'm not quite sure what that issue was, but you guys see it coming out. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Right up in here. So yeah, you've got different colors for on the side here. Purple. Actually, that might go through different colors. Let's see this. You got different speeds. The one thing I am noticing, the push button is a little touchy. Well, not really actually touchy. It's a little hard to. Sometimes when you press it, it doesn't do it. So you just gotta learn it. You can set the percentage, whatever you want. As you guys can see, as you touch it, it's sometimes you just gotta kind of be slow with it. And up at the top, you can rotate it, so it can come out 2 different ways. So this puts moisture in the air. So it does work. It does show you the percentage, what it's at right now, and so forth. But overall, I'm happy with it. Like I said, some of the buttons take a little time. You press them. You kind of gotta. It's best to use like your thumb. That covers the whole area. So yeah, using your thumb seems to be the key.